It's Anne and I'm back with another video. So today I'm kicking off a deep cleaning, organizing, and just getting my kitchen in order for spring 2023. So I hope today's video gives you some motivation and some inspiration for your own spring cleaning. So we're going to kick off things by cleaning and organizing my island. Once we've done that, guys, I'm going to reward myself by styling and decorating it. So kick back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or a cold beverage and enjoy. Drawer has been like this for like a year. It's a hot mess. There's so much miscellaneous crap inside of it, like old mails from the previous owner of the home that still keep coming, even though I've notified and taken their mails to the post office, letting them know that I've purchased a home. They no longer own the home anymore. There's nails and batteries and all sorts of crap in here. So it's definitely time to clean it out and put it to better usage. Giving these drawers a really good cleaning. I'm using a hot rag with a little bit of Dawn soap, which works wonders. Give it a try, guys. You'll thank me later. And then once I finish doing that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and just start organizing everything and just getting everything looking nice and neat and a lot more aesthetically pleasing. So guys, I'm just gonna share with you, everything is nicely organized with the stuff that we use on an everyday basis. Some of them are still dirty. I need to wash and put it in here. This is stuff that I use every day in the kitchen. These are some stuff that I purchased from Amazon for like barbecuing. This is for like salad. I need to go on Amazon and see if I can find 2 more of these so I can add another one there and then another one here to organize these. But for now, I'm just going to keep them like that. This drawer looks a lot better than what it looked like prior to this, which was a hot mess of a bunch of crap that I need to organize and sort out and throw away. That's just a box that I keep there for dumping recycling because I can't find an actual bin at the moment, and I don't want to use my outside bins that we store in the garage that the truck usually picks up every week. And then these are just my charger mats that I use for my tablescapes. These are my glass stuff, and then I have some extra glass dishes and containers here. So what I'm gonna do now is wipe the rest of the island down, and then we're gonna neatly style it with a little island scape.
It's not my fault.
Couple seconds to thank you all for your love and support. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and to anyone returning and supporting yet another video. Thank you. If you are new, guys, my name is Anne. My channel's name is Glam Designs by Anne, and I love all things home decor, cleaning, organizing, and a little bit of cooking. So if you enjoy those types of video, you know what to do. Subscribe, double tap that bell, and become part of the family, and that way you'll never miss out on any of my upcoming videos.
Crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere, girl. Look in the mirror, man. You so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face.
Well, guys, this is how my islandscape turned out, and I just love how everything looks. It's nice and fresh for the spring, even though where I am, we're still getting a lot of snow. And I think while I was recording and cleaning this area yesterday, it was actually snowing. Anyways, guys, yeah, this is how everything turned out. I just love how everything looks. My dining room and living room in this area just feels so nice and clean. And like I think I mentioned, this is going to be part one of my kitchen spring cleaning and organizing and just getting everything, you know, aesthetically pleasing and having things organized and just having things neat. I think it really sets the tone for the rest of the year when you get to, you know, organize everything, get everything in its right place. It just makes your house feel so relaxed, and it gives you a lot more peace of mind knowing that when you open up your cupboards or when you walk down into your living space, if you're in a home, that things are just, you know, neat and clean. And then once you clean, you get to reward yourself by, you know, styling and decorating that space. It's amazing. Anyways, guys, you guys know I love to shop my home and reuse a lot of things that I have because, you know, I don't feel the need to purchase a lot of new things when it comes to certain items, because I'm currently working on buying other things that I actually really need. So I don't feel the need to go out and buy new plates and certain things because I have a lot of them. But this tray here I purchased last year on clearance from Winners. I think it was like $24. The candle is from Winners. The cute bunnies, guys, I think I got these last year from HomeSense. This one was $8.99. And you guys know I decorate in black and white, modern with a little glam. And then this one was on clearance for $9. Goes with my decor, which is black and white. This little vase is a half of a pineapple that I purchased a few years ago. I think it was actually white. And you know me, I paint everything black. I've added some eucalyptus stems that I purchased from Amazon a while back. I switched it out from the white and green florals that I had here because I added white to the taller vase. So I thought the greenery would look a lot better. And then these white and greenery florals you see here, I've had those for years. I attempted a couple times to throw it away and I was like, no, it's so spring because of the leaves. They're not like too green. They're nice and light. I have 3 bunches. I've added another one to the back of the vase and the flower arrangement. I got those from Dollarama a few years ago and I've never seen them again. They're really pretty. And then these are just some eucalyptus longer stems that I got from Amazon a while back. Eucalyptus just come in so many different textures. As you can see, these ones are bigger and a little different from these smaller ones. But that's my little vignette that you can pretty much style your countertop with. And I just added the bunnies because we're sort of like approaching spring/Easter. And I just decided to just pull these ones out for now. But this is a really cute and spring-like vignette that you can style on your countertop. You can use whatever color florals you like, but you know me, I love greenery, and then I like bringing out my white florals for spring. You don't necessarily have to do an islandscape, but this is just what I like to do in my home. And then I've shopped my home and I try to always match whatever I do in my dining room on my tablescape here on the island. So I've added these mesh mats that come in a set of 8. I got those from Marshall's years ago, many years ago. And then these are some black chargers that come in a set of 6. You can get them in so many different colors. You can get all different types of chargers on Amazon. The white plates, I think I purchased them from either Amazon or Wayfair. They come with 4 salad plates and 4 bowls as well. And I think I have the teacups for them. I'm not sure, but I think I do. And then these are some cute little salad plates I got over the holidays. I shared with you guys for $5.99 from HomeSense. My white napkins come in a set of 8, and I got either a set of 8 or a set of 10. I got these from Amazon a while back. They have like a nice pattern on them, and they are really nice. The napkin rings I purchased maybe 2 months ago or so, I think, from Amazon. And these are some cute iridescent glasses, similar to the ones I have on my dining room table. They're just a little different. Those, I think they're also by the HGTV designer Samantha Penn. She used to have a show on HGTV many years ago. And I used to be a big fan of HGTV. I could not get enough of HGTV. I used to watch it morning, noon, and night. Like I had no life. But yeah, they come in a set of 4, and I purchased them a few years ago from either Winners or Marshalls. And that is my little spring cleaning here for my kitchen island. I wanted to clean and style this area first because as you come through the front door or my back door, this is something that you see. It's a focal point. So I always like to make sure it's nice and clean and nicely styled. Even if it's just with this little vignette here, not necessarily the setting for 2. But I just wanted to share that with you to give you some ideas and tips that you can style your island for how many, seatings that you want it to be. I normally add 3, but I just decided to add 2 because my stools have gradually been breaking and I only have 1 left. But I'm currently looking on Amazon and Wayfair to get some nice black stools for that area, probably like 3 of them. But when I do that, I'll definitely unbox and share it with you guys. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure that you subscribe and you double tap your post notification bell. That way you won't miss out on part 2 of the rest of me organizing and cleaning the rest of the kitchen. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I hope I was able to give you a little motivation and some inspiration for your own spring cleaning this year. And that is all I have for you today. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.